Washington, D.C., July 23rd. U.S. President Donald Trump delivered a keynote address at the Winning the AI Race Summit, hosted by All In Podcast and Hill Valley Forum, where he signed executive orders related to his AI action plan. These measures aim to support U.S. innovation in artificial intelligence, AI. Getty Images. A surge of significant investments by large tech giants in AI-related ventures signals a vibrant marketplace for innovation. Antitrust interventions targeting these investments would likely undermine existing competition, whereas a balanced approach combined with deregulation could foster continued leadership in AI. In 2025, Forbes reported that AI firms, whether developing apps or advanced models, rely on expensive silicon chips and energy-intensive data centers to power their operations. This growth in demand has driven substantial investments, including notable partnerships such as Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Nvidia. These companies are actively working on specialized AI chips to enhance training efficiency and performance. Nvidia announced a $100 billion investment in OpenAI, part of a growing trend of tech alliances with AI startups. Project Stargate aims to build 7-gigawatt-scale AI infrastructure, bringing together Oracle, SoftBank, and OpenAI. Other AI firms, including those mentioned in Forbes' lists, have also secured third-party funding to expand their capabilities. The AI ecosystem is characterized by intense competition across multiple layers: hardware, software, and applications. While tech giants dominate, the market features a rich array of challenges, including startups and open-source projects. This environment encourages continuous innovation and diverse business models. The AI stack reflects a competitive yet interconnected model. Hardware developments by major players like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft push the boundaries of what is possible. Foundation models, such as large language models, LLMs, face evolving performance gaps that are gradually narrowing due to increasing competition. At the application layer, diverse players offer varied services, fostering a competitive atmosphere. Cloud access platforms, supported by experts like Trevor Wagner from the Computer Communications Industry Association, ensure that top-tier AI startups maintain flexible deployment options. Cloud vendors often provide incentives, optimized hardware, and tailored AI solutions to attract developers, highlighting how fiercely they compete for market share. Global investment in AI has reached new heights, driving rapid advancements. In 2024, private and public sectors saw significant growth in generative AI investments. Improved hardware efficiency and open-source models are reducing the cost barriers, making advanced AI more accessible to businesses. This dynamic competition drives a virtuous cycle of innovation, where breakthroughs by one firm quickly become the foundation for others. The constant need for innovation prevents any single entity from locking in dominance. Antitrust experts warn that aggressive investigations into AI arrangements may come too early, potentially disrupting market dynamics. However, the focus of antitrust agencies on AI markets suggests a preemptive approach, which favors early intervention to prevent anti-competitive outcomes. Professor Jonathan Barnett highlights that scale economies and network effects in digital markets benefit only one or a few dominant firms, not all. Antitrust proponents typically overlook these factors, leading to potential inefficiencies. A cautious, facts-based approach avoids costly prosecutions of benign practices. Despite concerns about market dominance, recent analyses show that AI innovations will contribute billions to global economies, with the US economy seeing a significant portion of this growth. However, antitrust actions could hinder this progress if they discourage beneficial investments. President Trump's 2025 AI Action Plan seeks to remove regulatory hurdles, promoting American leadership through deregulation. This aligns with a prior January 2025 executive order that removed barriers to AI innovation. An overly interventionist approach risks contradicting this priority, as enforcers should remain focused on protecting competition rather than stifling it. Monitoring the AI ecosystem to identify new practices that could distort competition is essential. This requires evidence-based approaches instead of relying on speculative investigations. Practices not understood by enforcers should not be targeted for preemptive action. Reducing regulatory barriers and adopting a fair, facts-driven strategy are key to fostering a thriving AI sector that benefits society.